This video is a follow-up to column mapping, where we showed you how to add coil IDs and product names to your machines in USA Live. If you intend to create custom maps for your unique machines, you need to know how to set up a sales report to get the right information to plug into your map. I'm going to show you how to create that report right now. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to watch the column mapping video to learn how to set up a map and link it to your machine. You can find that video on the Help Center of the USA Technologies website. So the first thing we need to do is click the Reports tab and select Build a Report in the menu. Notice here that there are several tabs for the different types of reports you can run. For this demonstration, we need to click the Detailed Report tab. Now this page may look a bit complicated at first, but I'm going to carefully walk you through each step in the process of creating a report that you'll need when you build your custom column map. The first order of business will be to make sure your beginning and ending dates are set correctly for the data in the report. For the purpose of the column map, all you need is a record of the coils vended in order. So before you run this report, you should have already vended all the coils in your machine in order from top to bottom. As we described in the column mapping video, doing that will give you a sales record for the 4-digit coil IDs for each selection as reported by the main board of your machine. Your beginning and ending date then should be the same, the dates you vended all your selections. For the transaction type, you can leave all the boxes checked. Keep the header set to the default at None. Make sure the section dropdown is set to Device. Set the row dropdown to Item. And leave the column setting on None. For the Data Values section, the only box you need to check is this one, the number of items. Next, you'll need to provide the report with the serial number of the device in your machine you intend to map. If you know the number or you wrote it down, you can enter it in the field here and click Search. Or if you prefer, you can open the list of all your devices by clicking the plus sign here. If you have regions set up, click to expand the region in which your machine is found, or expand a no region and click to place a check mark next to the device you're mapping. Finally, choose a format for how you want the report to be displayed. For this process, it's best to either show the data on your screen with the HTML option, or you may want to send the data to an Excel spreadsheet. You could then print the report and use it as a reference when you're building your column map. Now all we need to do is click Run Report. You can see the 4-digit coil codes from the machine in this column. Take the information from this report to the column map page, and you're on your way to creating a custom map for your machine. And that concludes this video.